So we're doing our deli turkey wraps using celery, carrots, and cucumber. Now we want to julienne these vegetables. Now I've already julienned my carrots and I julienned the celery. But I wanted to show you particularly what I do with the cucumber. I like to use English cucumbers. You can use a regular cucumber, really it doesn't matter. So I'm using an English cucumber here. You want to, excuse me, you want to cut off the tip. And now you can keep the peel on the cucumber. There is some fiber in these cucumbers. If you're not buying organic cucumbers, I would suggest to take the peel off. But it's just quick to just take the knife, peel off the skin as so, and cut it lengthwise. Now, the English cucumbers don't have as many seeds as your regular cucumber. I really like to de-seed them because people with like diverticulitis and other digestive issues, it's really hard to digest these seeds. So we want to de-seed the cucumber as so. Just plop out the seeds. You can actually take a spoon and spoon it out as well. Again, cut it lengthwise. Now, julienne just means cutting it lengthwise and cutting them in thin, long slices as so. So like this. Now you can even cut it again in the middle, straight down the middle, okay? Because you want really thin, even strips. Benefits of cucumbers: extremely hydrating, lots of water content, lots of minerals, lots of vitamins. Okay, so this is what we mean when we say to julienne them. So nice, long, thin, rectangular shape, okay? Now, let me go ahead and do this one as well. So again, slice it lengthwise, thin, thin, thin. Carrots, lots of beta carotene. Beta carotene converts into vitamin A, anti-cancer, phytochemicals, absolutely healthy for us. Celery, I was just speaking with one of my clients and they are experiencing gout. Celery is a good food for gout. Okay, so take our deli turkey and we want to divide evenly our vegetables. So we have our cucumber, a little carrots, and a little celery. Now you can even get more creative. You can throw some shredded lettuce in here. You can throw a piece of pickle, but you really don't need all of those and you don't really need any condiments because your ketchup, your mayo, those things have a lot of sodium, a lot of extra fat. So we want to keep this healthy, quick, and budget friendly. So we want to roll this nice and tight. Now, even if you're having company, you can use this as a nice hors d'oeuvre, a little appetizer. See how tight that is? See how pretty that is? So we're going to just bring this over here. Let's roll another one. Quick and easy. So our cucumber. Now, actually, if you like red bell pepper, you can go crazy with whatever vegetables you choose. Because some people don't want carrots. Some people don't like cucumbers. So you can get creative. So we have cucumbers, carrots, and celery. Again, healthy vegetables, nice, crunchy, fresh. Roll it tightly. And voila. And guess what? We're going to give this a try. How about that? This is good. Again, deli turkey wraps. Healthy, budget-friendly, fresh, and good for you. Enjoy. See you soon.